Korean K2 Black Panther tank. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most advanced main battle tanks in the world, the South Korean K2 Black Panther. Designed by Hyundai Rotem and developed by the Agency for Defense Development, this tank isn't just a piece of military hardware. It's a statement of technological power, mobility, and precision. Let's start with its purpose. The K2 was developed to replace aging American M48 Pattons and supplement the K1 series. It reflects South Korea's ambition to field a next-generation tank tailored for the unique geography and potential threats of the Korean Peninsula. Under the hood, the K2 is powered by a 1,500 horsepower diesel engine. Originally intended to use an indigenously developed power pack, early models relied on German components, while South Korea refined its domestic systems. The result? A tank that can move at speeds of up to 70 km/h on roads and maintain agility across rugged terrain. One of the most impressive features of the K2 is its hydropneumatic suspension system. This allows it to kneel or raise each side independently. It can lower its profile for urban combat or elevate the front for improved firing angles on hilly terrain. This adaptability is crucial for Korea's mountainous landscapes. The main armament is a 120mm smoothbore gun fitted with an autoloader. That means the K2 can fire rounds faster than tanks with human loaders, maintaining a rate of fire of about 10 rounds per minute. The gun is also stabilized for firing on the move and supports advanced munitions including smart rounds capable of engaging hidden or airborne targets. In terms of targeting and defense, the K2 is a powerhouse. It comes equipped with a state-of-the-art fire control system that includes a laser rangefinder, thermal imager, and a ballistic computer. It can track and identify targets automatically and has the ability to engage low-flying helicopters. Active protection is another highlight. The tank features advanced composite armor, reactive armor modules, and a radar-based threat detection system designed to alert the crew to incoming projectiles. The tank can even activate countermeasures to disrupt or deflect certain types of missiles. Crew safety and operational awareness are enhanced through digital interfaces. The tank's interior feels like a cockpit, sleek, modern, and tech-heavy. It's designed for a crew of 3: commander, gunner, and driver. Each position is ergonomically arranged with access to advanced optics and communication systems. The K2 isn't just built for South Korea. It has generated significant international interest, most notably from Poland, which signed contracts for hundreds of units in a major deal. This marks South Korea's growing influence in the global defense market, especially in areas traditionally dominated by US and European tank makers. In terms of cost,